Hello everybody, I've got here a Bosch dishwasher which is German made. The model number is SGS 5302, and as you can see I put off the cover from the top of it and from the sides just to see what's going on inside. Now there's a problem here that coming from, I think, the engine. Don't know for sure, and the problem is when I turn it on, it doesn't work. It has the electricity, but the engine seems like doesn't want to start. I can show it to you. Now, can you hear this noise which is coming from the engine? Now, I don't know for sure what is the problem, but when I turn it off and if I touch the engine now, of course when I unplug it from the electricity, the engine is very hot, like it's trying to work, but it's not working. Now I would like to ask you please if anyone knows what could be the problem. Thank you very much.